Take your wheelchair wherever you go with the CareCo Wheelchair Bag. Designed for ultimate travel convenience, this bag features convenient carry handles and a removable shoulder strap, as well as a clear pocket for your contact details. Waterproof and durable, the wheelchair bag protects your chair from any nicks, scratches or rusting. Quick and easy to take on and off, this ensures your wheelchair stays clean and is ready to roll. This is the ideal solution for frequent travellers looking to take their wheelchair on holiday or for those looking to protect their mobility aid while in storage. The CareCo Wheelchair Storage Bag, part of the wider range of wheelchair accessories. To find out more, pop into a showroom, visit careco.co.uk or give us a call. Thanks for watching. Take care.